everyone. Welcome to Way of Fishing. Today is not starting off as planned. Gone Fishing 804 was supposed to be here. My brother was supposed to be here. And my best friend was supposed to be here. Lo and behold, it's just me, solo dolo. The water is flat. The wind is not blowing. The bugs are eating me alive. And I can hear stuff blowing up. So let's go. Got him. Coming right at me. Holy crap. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a nice speck. What? Oh, shorty. Fish might be over the slot. I'm gonna have to use a net. Get in my net, you behemoth. Yes! Yes! Where's my grippers? Oh. Yes, I did. Oh. Yes, 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 I did. May I have another, please? Calm down and look around. I got tailing reds right there. I probably got one working ashore behind me. I got one working at point right there. What is this? Bait? I've never caught a big redfish on top before. That's my first one. Every boat is not for every situation. In open water from now on, I'm definitely taking the moking. But guys, this right here, honestly, it's like the Bonafide was built for this. Not bass fishing. This. It is ultimate for this. I'm running super shallow, crazy stable, all kinds of gear. If I need to, I can step up on my perch pads and get a higher vantage point. Like, I really think this was in mind when they built it. I'm just gonna crank and try to get up ahead of these reds. So that's one, two, see these? All that's four, at least 4 redfish pushing, 5, 6. They're pushing. I'm gonna stay out here, see if I can't get in front of them to get a cast. Bruh. All redfish. I don't know where they're going. Let's see if I can get a cast over here on one of these fish. Nope, I'm behind them. I just saw a redfish. What in the world is going on? Look at him. If I can get up here, I can catch that fish. I just have to overtake them. Man, y'all are some trash. Okay, I just made the paddle to go get my bait trap. Got back over here. There are still redfish over here working this shoreline. Honestly, guys, I don't. Aside from floating live bait underneath this popping cork, I have no other ideas how to get these fish. All right, finally got some bait. Let's go catch some fish. I'm gonna cut the camera off. Look, that's a redfish. There's some bait back in here too. That's a redfish. What in the world, man? I just saw the tail. These are tailing reds. I cannot get them to hit anything. Why are they so active if they're not feeding? Oh. Oh, you kidding me? Bruh. Bruh. That's not. No! I don't know how that fish came off. Bowed up, peel and drag. He was big. I backed the drag off. My popping cork is gone already, man. What in the world? Huh. I thought you were gonna be something. I set the hook on you like I was trying to murder you. Took my bait. Man, my stupid camera glitched. Whew. Hooked this thing, man. He took me for a Cajun sleigh ride. Oh, it is not a baby. He took live minnows, man. Live minnows. Ugh. That's a grown one. That's another grown one. Grown one. I got me another grown one. I'm mad y'all missed the whole fight because of my camera. Y'all, yeah, that's a keeper. Y'all want to do something to help the channel, man? Help me get some new cameras. My cameras are trash. Literally, the whole time I was fighting that fish, I was trying to get the camera turned on. I need a first gen GoPro session. That's what I need. So all this time, these fish I've been seeing are indeed redfish, and it would appear that I was correct in that it's just going to be live bait. It's just going to be live bait. I lost a red, caught this red, caught a speck, and all of that was live bait. They're not touching the gulps. They're not touching the top waters anymore. Oh, I'm so geeked. Let's go get another one. So this is a good example of why you have to have different tricks in your arsenal. Now, these fish are ignoring top waters, they're ignoring paddle tails, they're ignoring gulp, they're ignoring swim baits. But that live mummy chog drifted out there, that means that's what they're feeding on right now. You look back in there, there's a redfish. They're just feeding on these mummy chogs. And I can't imitate that, but as soon as I put a mummy chog out there, I mean, I've gotten, I don't know how many bites. That's a redfish. They're all over here. I mean, this place, this pocket is ate up with redfish right now. That should be enough bait for the day right there. It would be so awesome to get one more before I leave. Oh, you me? That's a speckled trout. That is not a redfish. What? I got something that might keep. I think it's a speck. No, it's not pulling like that. It ain't no speck. It's got to be a red. No, that's a speck. All right. Get back in the net. Get back in the net, boy. I was out on the bay yesterday with the kids, got home, took care of all of that gear, cleaned the John boat up, got them in the house, got them dinner, got into bed, came out here. I know when I laid down I had 2 hours and 38 minutes to sleep and I couldn't fall asleep. And I contemplated not coming. This morning something happened. Well, I've gone fishing. 804 was supposed to be here this morning. And once he didn't come, I thought about just nixing the whole thing. And going home and going back to sleep. But I didn't do that. Hard, fellas, ladies, gentlemen. A freaking ladyfish. I've never seen one of these in Virginia. Well, aren't you a little runt? Another ladyfish. Okay, that's better. It's coming at me. A small drum. Small puppy drum. Little puppy drum. I'm getting bites over here, but they're all these little, this is a preschool over here. Another one for the preschool. Pretty though. Real quick, just because I don't buy super good tackle to saltwater fish because it's hard on the gear. This is a Shimano Sienna, a very low end reel. I think I paid about 30 bucks for it. It's years and years old and it's still working. I do need to oil it. It's starting to get stuck today. This is a Daiwa Crossfire. I probably paid 39 bucks for that rod. Owner hook, 20-pound fluoro leader. For those of you who've never used a popping cork, it's a mean, look at that. It's a mean piece of hardware. There's some heavy wire, got a washer, a barrel sinker, bead, another swivel beads. And so you hear all that? Makes all that clacking noise in the water. And this is cupped, so it goes like a popper. Saltwater fish actually come to all that commotion because they think the crew's getting down and somebody's eating and I want to eat too. You do that to a bass, he's probably gonna run. But that's what did my damage today, was that a popping cork. And I did get one off of a TOPWATER. And if you have watched my channel at all, you know that was a mirror lure double prop back there on the rod. But that popping cork did all my damage. I was catching live mummy chogs for bait. Got one on the TOPWATER back there. So today's a good day. I've had less than 2 hours of sleep in the last 48 hours. So I'm gonna take this 2-hour ride back to the house. There's a tailing redfish right there, tormenting me. And I'm gonna get something to eat. I had a McDonald's for breakfast yesterday. I didn't eat dinner, I didn't eat lunch. I had some potato chips. Got up this morning, had some really nasty taquitos from 7-Eleven because it was the only thing open at 3 o'clock in the morning, and they were nasty. But that's pretty much all I've eaten this afternoon now. That's all I've eaten the last 48 hours, and I haven't slept because I go hard. Heard the fish were biting and I wanted to get after it. So thanks for watching Way of Fishing. Get out there and fish your way. I'm gonna go find some food and a bed. What?